Thank you for your interest in my active listing. Are you ready to tell your friends you live in a penthouse on the Fort Lauderdale Galt Mile? This super spacious unit with its split floor plan and ocean views will for sure make you feel like you own your piece of heaven. 2-bed and amp, 2 baths facing south. Access to the updated modern balcony through the eat-in kitchen and living room. Tile through, large walk-in closets. Washer+Dryer in the unit. Impact windows. You can't beat this location. Close to shopping, restaurants and amp, the airport. Underground parking, cable and amp, internet included. Man-guarded lobby. The resort amenities in this well-managed building will surely impress you. Heated pool, currently under renovation, beachfront barbecues, cabanas, tennis, 4 gyms, clubhouse, billiards, card room. Relax. Enjoy. Live. Happiness is a day at the beach.